National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, southern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, south central Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, east central Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles south of McEwen to 9 miles southwest of Centerville to 8 miles west of Hodenwald, moving east at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Cornwall, Centerville, White Bluff, Kingston Springs, Pegram, Burns, Fairview, Charlotte, Gordonsburg, Simmons, Bon Aqua, Prince Springs, Lyles, Santa Fe, Pinewood, Hampshire, Williamsport, Leapers Fork, and Nutley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 155 and 191. Interstate 840 between mile markers 1 and 19. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.
It's the best.